Hi, hello, welcome everyone to the another exciting video with the great exciting product launched in the market. And in this video we are not going to see what every reviewers doing in online, like not giving honest reviews and just reading out the marketing page. And also this is not a demo kind of video, like showing 2 to 3 demo options, which is completely waste of time. If you want to see demo of this product, which is 7-minute clip, I will give the link in the description as well as a comment section. So this is the unlisted video, so if you need, go to the comment section or description to check the demo of this product. Now coming to the point, but in our video we are going to see, is this product really works? Is that really worth to buy or invest in this idea? Yeah, that's the biggest question we have. And what about the niche they are talking in this software? Is that really profitable online business to start with? Let's see each and everything clearly about this software with doubts and questions we have in our mind. So let's clear all those. So without any delay, let's get started. So the biggest question in our mind is why Tube Motion? So Tube Motion is the product name, which is the software name is nothing but Tube Motion. Now this is the sales page of this newly launched product. By the name itself we came to know this is about the YouTube. Yes, absolutely. And important question is this niche or this platform they are talking is really good enough to earn money or start as a beginner? I don't want to say that, because everyone knows how big is this platform and how many millions are made by the creators using this platform, nothing but YouTube. But what they, Tube Motion, promised to deliver, is Tube Motion is real one or scam? This is not a scam one, because there are more ways to make money on YouTube without creating videos. Yeah, they are marketing by saying without we are creating any videos we can make money from YouTube. If you have any doubt, just Google it. There are plenty of ways to create or earn the money without making a YouTube. So here, to reuse other people's content. Yes, by using other people's content we promote our affiliate methods to get sales and get a commission from them. So there are n number of ways to promote affiliate offers. But why Tube Motion? Because there are a number of ways you told in the Google itself. So why you have to need to buy this Tube Motion? Yeah, let's see that. Because they have an absolute money making method that works none other than the some traditional methods they are mentioned in the Google. So yeah, this is the why biggest selling point of Tube Motion. Look at here, copy and paste system. We can get at least $1,000 per day. Get started in less than 60 seconds. So the fastest income we have made so far. So these are the things they have promised to sell this Tube Motion. And within the 3 simple steps we can optimize, we can get started working with this Tube Motion. Okay, so but they also promised we can promote those affiliate offers without tech skills. Yes, absolutely. If you are not creating any videos, see there, if you are not creating any videos, then why you need a technical skills like editing, inserting, trimming, animation? So hard works need not to be done. So no hard cost, no more work, no hustle. So these are the main selling point. Then how to monetize YouTube channel with 5 different methods. Yeah, they also promised they can monetize the YouTube channel with 5 different methods. Sounds interesting, no? Yes. And also no need to pay for traffic by using Tube Motion. But how Tube Motion works? They also no need to spend to buy a traffic, like buy a traffic to promote those affiliate offers. So no need to get or no need to pay for the traffic. So it's all about a autopilot. So after purchasing this product, you don't need to buy any other additional traffic or additional any other thing from this product. So it works in 3 simple steps by autopilot. So I already shown that by copying and pasting automated YouTube campaign. So how to that? There is a demo video mentioned below in the comment section. Go and check it. And is that tube motion is really beginner friendly? Yeah, this is the question everyone have as a beginner. But as we see now, it's all about affiliate marketing. So affiliate promoting method. So we need at least some knowledge. Look at this guy, he is an online marketer, so he is the reviewer of this product. So at least we need some knowledge about affiliate networks, like how affiliate marketing works, like some basic knowledge about affiliate marketing. So these are the thing. So next question is, what if tube motion didn't satisfy me or doesn't work for me? Yes, that's the biggest question everyone have. No worries, because this product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. Yes, 30-day money back guarantee without question asked. Even bonus is that if they don't respond or didn't respond to your questions, or no after sale support is provided by Tube Motion, just ping me. As a joint venture of Warrior Plus and Zevizu, I will help you to solve your problem regarding refund or money back guarantee or whatever problem you have. So don't worry about that. And coming to the end, I hope all your doubts and queries have been cleared. If any, comment down below. But before signing off, interesting part is premium bonus. Yes, those who purchase this product from the link mentioned below in the description as well as comment section. Yes, this is not some useless promoters give 10 to 20s of free bonus which is completely useless. But here we as the House of Z Panda designers a premium bonus in order to help all those who are either entrepreneur, marketer, online marketer, or doing 9 to 5 job, or even a student, whatever you may be. That's a 5 premium bonus. To know more about that, I will give the link in the comment section as well as in the description. So these are the 5 bonuses exclusively from House of Z Panda. So look at the House of Z Panda. So success mindset, it is one of the bonus, premium bonus, and simple productivity and leadership strategies, and finally marketing mistakes to avoid in an online marketing journey. So the common question is how to avoid this bonus. Simple, just purchase the product from the link mentioned in the description as well as the comment section, and upload the receipt of your purchase in the link mentioned below. So that's all. You will receive those premium bonus within a day. And I think that's all for today. If you have any doubt, comment down below. So thank you, cheers, bye bye.